Here is your next question. The question says, Tina wants to buy 1,250 cookies for a party. If there are 5 cookies in each packet, how many packages should Tina buy? And your options are 240, option B 250, option C 260, and option D 125. Okay, so now again, this is a easy question. Tina wants to have 1,250 cookies and each packet has 5 cookies. So now she has to calculate and see how many cookie packets she needs to buy. Okay, so 1,250 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2, this 5 will come down. 5 into 5 is 25, and then this 0 will come here. So she needs to buy 250 packets of cookies in order to have 1,250 cookies. Okay, so option B 250 is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay, so here is my next question. The question says 990 cold drink bottles are to be placed in a crate. Okay, each crate can hold 18 bottles. How many crates would be needed? Okay, the options are 50, option B 55, option C 60, and option D 65. Okay, so again this question is simple one. 990 cold drink bottles are to be placed in a crate and one crate can hold 18 bottles. So we need to find out how many crates are needed. So 990 divided by 18. Okay, so let us try. Here it is 9, right? So we will try to find out the table of 18. So let us see, 18 into 3 is how much? 8 3s are 24, 2, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. It is 54. Let us try to find out what is 18 into 4. 18 into 4. 8 4s are 32, 3, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, let us try to find out what is 18 into 5. So 8 5s are 40, 4, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 18 is exactly getting divisible by 90 by for 5 times. So here it is 5, it is 90, 9 minus 0 is 9, this 0 is carried forward here, 5 again, 90, balance is 0. So which means that 55 crates are needed in order to carry 990 cold drink bottles. Okay. So option B, 55 is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So here is my next question for you. The question says, an ice cream vendor had 220 cherries. He split the cherries evenly among 110 ice cream sundaes. Okay, how many cherries did the vendor put on each sundae? Okay, the options are A3, B4, C2 and D5. Okay, so now an ice cream vendor had 220 cherries and he split the cherries evenly among 110 ice creams. Okay, so again it's a simple division which we will be doing. Right, to make it simple, let us just see. We know the table of 11, right? 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Let us just try to multiply and see here. 0 twos are 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2. Yes, it is getting exactly divisible 2 times and my answer here is 2. That is option C. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. The question says, a group of 1500 students went for roller coaster. If a car on roller coaster can hold 5 students each, how many cars are needed to accommodate all? And the options are A200, B300, C400 and D500. Okay, so now 1500 students went for a roller coaster and a car can hold 5 students at a time. So 1500 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 0 and this 0 again. So which means it needs 300 cars to accommodate 5 children. Okay. So answer is B, 300. Clear? So this set of sums were quite easy, right, children? It was a simple division which we had to do in order to figure out our answers. Okay, so now we are coming to the end of this session, and we will be having 2 more sums extra to solve. So are you all ready here?